Welcome to Traders Welcome to Traders Expo 2017 here in New York City. I'm Matt McCall. Thanks for joining us. I'm joined by Rick Swope, Pro Market Advisors co-founder. Rick, thank you so much for joining us.
Well, thank you for having me today.
So let's talk about a checklist. I love checklists. I mean, if you see my wall in the office, I got a little checklist. I'm a checklist kind of guy.
They work.
So you have a
They work.
checklist for price patterns. Let's talk a little bit about that.
Yes. You know, there are a lot of price patterns that traders use. They go by all different kinds of names: cup and handle, head and shoulders, lots of price patterns. And it's important that when traders use price patterns that they don't cut corners. And so we recommend just a simple checklist to say, do I have everything I need for this price pattern? The first one, of course, is, does the pattern have all of the requisite parts? So when you look at, for example, a cup and handle, does the cup shape the way it should? Does the handle shape the way it should? Can you identify a clear resistance? So that's number one. Number two is volume. Love volume. Most moves in the market will be confirmed by volume. And so if you look at a pattern and you would expect to have higher volume, well, you don't really quantify what's higher volume, but what I don't want to see is lower volume. So volume is another one. Number three, something we take a look at is, can I identify support and resistance? Do I have all of the important support and resistance points identified? Because those are my guardrails. Number four, and there's only five, number four is, do I have candles? I love candles, love candle charts. Do I have candles that either confirm or refute what I expect to see from the pattern? So do the candles play along? And then the last one in that is, do I have clearly identified risk? I'm a risk guy. You know, if you can't tell me where you're going to get out if you're wrong, don't do the trade. So it's just a quick checklist.
Let me ask you this. So if I get 4 or 5, and I gotta tell you that I just love in this stock,
yeah.
Do I go with it or say, you know what, Rick said I have to get off all 5 and I can't make this trade? What do I do then? Is there some gut feeling thing?
Yeah, you know, and there's varying levels of that. So I would say if you're 90% of the way there, but maybe volume's not quite where you are, you know, take the trade, but maybe lower your position.
Okay.
You know, you do 500 shares if everything played out well. All right, go for 200 shares and hold your risk tight. Yeah. You know, but that goes with everything. Before you ever get into a trade, know where you're going to get out if you're wrong. Because if you don't, then it becomes a guessing game, and it's all emotion driven. And
yeah, once you get in, your emotions are driving whether it's up or down.
You're done.
Yeah,
you're done at that point. Yeah.
That's great advice, and I like how you have the checklist. You know, because technical analysis it's not black and white. There's a lot of gray areas.
A lot of gray areas.
Because you
yes.
know, you say supports at 18 and goes to 17.95. Doesn't mean you should get out. I mean, it's a 5-cent move.
Sure.
But you need to have those in place, especially for the beginner, because if they do not have that,
absolutely,
they're going to look at everything as gray, and they're never going to make a good
And it's all going to be a gut move.
Yes.
And the worst decision is an emotional decision.
I mean, you and I have been doing it a long time, so
yeah.
I think our gut sometimes is a bonus to what we're doing. But
yes.
as the average person who's starting out, I think, you know, having that checklist and, you know, to give them that, I think is
crucial.
Great advice.
It's crucial. And it makes trading easier.
Yes, it takes the emotions out as much as we can take it out.
As much as you can do it, yes.
And apparently Rick likes candles, so for next Christmas, whatever.
There it is.
I just picture it right now. Candles all around his house. Rick Swope, Pro Market Advisors co-founder, thank you so much.
Thank you.